Okay, I will show you right now how to solder. Tama ba? Solder? Okay. So, we have these two wires. I'll make it connect using this here like that. So we need this one. So we have to connect it first here like that. Then put it here. Go get that. So this is very hot, you know. Put it like that there. So to clean the soldering gun. So put it here. Oops, 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 slowly, 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 slowly. I cannot see. My eyes are up, 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 up. One more. We'll put it closer. Okay. Okay. So this will connect. This will connect it. You know. This will connect it. So yeah, it's now melting. You know. You know, just like that. Oh my god! 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 It's almost done. Okay, done already. So it's connected. So you return, you clean it. You return it. Don't touch it. This is very very hot. So you can see you turn off now. Now you remove this. You check it from here. See? Chanan! It's connected already. Thank you for watching.